This is lesson number one of Your First Info Product, a training course designed to teach you step by step how to launch and sell your very first info product online. Info products is an easy way for a solopreneur to work for themselves. That means an entrepreneurship that's working by themselves. You do not need a team of people in order to launch and sell info products, especially as you follow this system. The best part is that you can literally run this business anywhere there is an internet connection, and that's what's so important about info products. So, what types of info products are there out there? First one is ebooks. Ebooks, we've all seen them. Those are PDF files, generally between 25, maybe 75 pages worth of content. They provide really informative details on a topic. Some of the best selling products on the leading digital product platforms are strictly ebooks. Video courses like what you're watching right now, that's a very good example of a high quality info product. So video courses are courses created by videos. You can use PowerPoint. You can actually film somebody teaching a class. You can film somebody demonstrating like yoga or exercises. Those types of things are what video courses would be. Audio courses. Some of you might be listening to the audio version of this training, and that is an example of an audio course. So you can actually create products that aren't videos, that are not ebooks, but it's you talking about your topic for 1, 2, maybe 3 hours. You just create a list of bullet points that you want to cover, and you start speaking and going to town. Interviews is another tremendous style of info product. So that's where you go out there and you. So, why info products and why should you be pursuing this as a business model? The first one is these products are easy to create. They are simple to create and a lot easier than you can imagine to put together, as we will reveal to you in this course. The second main thing about info products